Homework time can fall apart fast, at home and in the classroom, even when a child is trying. Most of the time, that doesn't mean they can't learn. It means the structure around the work isn't helping yet. One reason homework feels hard is that starting takes effort. Problem 1, hard to get started. Children have to switch from play, noise, or movement into focused thinking. If the task is vague, like finish this or work on your writing, the brain has to guess what to do first. And when there isn't a clear routine, every homework session starts from zero instead of from a familiar pattern. This is where executive function comes in. Executive function matters. That's the set of skills we use to start, plan, remember steps, and stay with a task. Tip 1, create a clear start routine. A simple start routine makes the transition easier. It tells the child exactly how homework time begins. At home, that might mean snack, clear the table, get materials out, and choose the first task before anyone starts working. In school, it could be sit down, read the instruction together, underline the first action, and begin with one easy win. Tip 2, break tasks into small steps. Big assignments often trigger shutdown because they feel endless. Chunking turns one heavy task into a series of small starts. Instead of saying finish the worksheet, try 3 problems now, then check in. Chunking makes work feel doable. Instead of write your report, try open the document and write the first sentence. Teachers can post the steps on the board, and families can use sticky notes or a simple checklist so progress is easy to see. Tip 3, remove distractions. Attention improves when the space is simpler. That can mean lowering background noise, putting devices away, or keeping only the needed materials nearby. The goal isn't a harsh, silent room. Reduce overload, not all sound. It's a setting that helps the child stay with the task without fighting the environment. Tip 4, focus on thinking, not just finishing. When adults focus only on getting the work done, children may rush without really learning. Understanding needs to stay at the center. Helpful questions sound different. Ask what was tricky. Ask what helped. You can ask what part feels tricky, what strategy might help, or how they know an answer makes sense. That builds metacognition. Metacognition means thinking about thinking. It's simply the ability to notice your own thinking and make better choices while you work. Some helpful sounding habits can actually make homework harder. Avoid this, repeating instructions louder. Repeating the same instruction louder usually doesn't create clarity. Giving 5 directions at once can overload a child before they even begin. Avoid this, too many directions at once. One clear step is easier to follow than a stream of reminders. Constant interruptions can also break concentration. Avoid this, constant correction. Support works better when it is brief, timed well, and gives space to think. Sometimes, homework struggles point to a need for extra support, especially for children with attention differences or learning challenges. For those children, clear routines, smaller steps, and well-timed help are not extras. Structure is essential, not optional. They're often what makes learning accessible. Small changes in structure can make homework time calmer, more doable, and more meaningful for learning. Small changes can make a big difference. Try one routine change and see what improves this week. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 65646533 or 8614-7651, or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.